Hey everybody, it's Starr. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you well. And if you clicked on it, you're interested in seeing my zucchini pasta with some bell peppers, kale, kumatos, and some avocado, and of course garlic. So first you want to start off with your pot and some olive oil. You want to always make sure you mix it all around to get the pot coated evenly. And you're just going to throw in your kale. And that bag that I showed you is organic and is already like tripled washed, but sometimes I wash it again. And you just want to make sure you put it into the pot. And it's going to steam out accordingly. Just give it maybe about 2 minutes or so. And then you add in your minced garlic. You throw in your bell pepper. And then you're going to give that a toss. And then also you add in some seasonings of your choice. I decided to use this all-purpose seasoning by Goya. I will link that in the description box below. So make sure you read that and check it out. So after that, you want to make sure that you coat that evenly and let it steam out a bit. And you're going to go on to your zucchini. So here I have the zucchini already, and I cut up some tomatoes in half. In another pan, you want to add your olive oil once again with the kumatos, and you're going to add balsamic vinegar to this. And I use maybe about 1 or 2 tablespoons of the balsamic vinegar. And it just gives it that like sweet but salty kind of flavor, just to give it a little bit of taste. You add in the zucchini and give that a stir and let that soak up a bit. And then the kale was done, so I transferred the kale to this pan. Then I mashed up some avocado and gave it a stir, and I'm going to enter it into the mixture. And that's pretty much it. You just want to mix everything all together and coat it. Probably was the rest of the avocado. That was just only half of it that I put in there. And that's pretty much it. And it turned out really, really yummy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll wait to see you in my next video.